Today we're going to show you how to build a marble run. Building a marble run can not only be a lot of fun, it helps teach your child all about cause and effect, trial and error, and how to communicate and come up with a plan as they build. Sometimes things work. Yay! And sometimes they don't. We need to tilt that one a little bit. That's why we test it. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do something super fun today. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let me tell you what we're gonna do. We are going to build a marble run. We're gonna take these awesome tubes, you're gonna work together, and you're gonna figure out how they can connect, and you're gonna try to get a marble all the way down into that box down there. Construction paper, cardboard rolls, an empty tissue box, marbles, markers, painter's tape, scissors, glue. Have kids who love art? Have them decorate the tubes or the boxes before you begin your marble run. Out of time or just don't want to decorate? Get straight to the marble run. But these guys want to decorate, don't you?
Yeah.
Are you ready? All right, here we go. We were able to find these heavy-duty cardboard rolls. Don't have them? No problem. Save up all of your empty tubes and your kids can craft to their heart's desire and build those marble runs.
I'm doing a rainbow one. I'm on orange.
You can have them decorate their rolls with stickers or with construction paper or just simply use markers, whatever their heart's desire. Just let their imaginations run wild and get to crafting.
Like my snail?
I love your snail, Benjamin. I like it.
There, I'm done.
Nice, Rachel. Your marble needs somewhere to land, so we used an empty tissue box. We simply took some construction paper and glued it to the outside. You can do that or use stickers or paint, whatever you want to use to decorate. Don't want to decorate? No problem. Your marble run will still work just as well. Once your supplies are ready, simply gather them together and then use any surface that you'd like to build your marble run on. Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so let your creativity flow, work together, figure out how to tape them onto the wall and to each other. And you'll have to work together and build a marble run, okay?
Okay.
Yes, you can use whatever color tape you want. So you start up here. Benjamin, Rachel, you can use some of those tubes. You want to connect one down here?
Hi, then we can do this and it goes.
To go into it? That's a good idea.
We need more
Silas, do you want to connect yours?
I don't know.
Where should we put it?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Like the superpowers.
Superpowers.
Mom, I don't know
The marble run superpowers.
Mom, I got it.
You get it?
Mom, I have a robot hands.
You do have robot hands.
Here's a piece of tape.
All right, move it.
We need it like that.
You need it like that?
Yeah.
Yes, Silas.
It's a letter T.
You're right. It is a letter T.
And
You
it's
need
a
one more, guys. Hold on, this won't stay, Benjamin, until you put it one more across, I don't think.
There. And I'll do this.
Okay. Good teamwork.
And now you can let go. I'll do. Okay, that.
Make it big so that way it goes all the way across.
Yeah.
And then we need to test it and see how it's doing so far. Ready? All right, here we go.
Oh,
Push it in. Oh,
it got stuck.
it did get stuck. We need to tilt it a little bit. Oh, but it's gonna work. Let's try it. Here we go.
Try it to see if it goes down here before we tape it.
Wow! Yay! It worked.
Here, let's take this out.
Do you think we can get it into the tissue box again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll test it again.
All right, you be the tester.
I'll test.
Rachel wants to turn.
need
Let her
one
test it
piece.
too.
Okay.
All right, test it.
We need to do one more piece, and then I'll push the marble. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, Benjamin. Give it to the jackpot. Yeah!
Whoa.
You got it in the yellow bowl. It was most fun for me to get to see my kids working together to come up with a plan of how to build their marble run. It also was neat to see them cheer each other on as they made it into the tissue box at the end, into the jackpot. I think we would definitely do this activity again. It was a great time filler, but also a lot of fun for me to see them working together. Let us know how building your marble run went in the comments below. And if you have any tips or suggestions, we'd love to hear them. Are you ready to get those marbles rolling? Let's go.